So last time in mechanism of pollination we discussed the transfer of pollen grains from anther to receptive stigma. That mechanism is nothing but the pollination. And again in the pollination there are different types of the pollination. Autogamy type of pollination in which the pollen grains are transferred from anther to receptive stigma of the same flower. It is autogamy. In geitonogamy, some slight difference is there. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to receptive stigma of another flower, but that another flower is located on the same plant body. That is the geitonogamy. And in case of the genogamy, that is actual cross pollination, the pollens have been carried or the pollens have been transferred from anther to receptive stigma of another flower which is located on another plant body. And here, because both the plant bodies are different, they may be from same species or another species or maybe another variety, that is genetically dissimilar varieties are there, and in genetically dissimilar variety, if the pollens are transferred, that type of pollination is a cross pollination, or it is also called as genogamy. But anyhow, after discussion of different types of the pollination, in case of the angiosperms, something requires to transfer the pollens from anther to receptive stigma, and that something is nothing but the pollinating agents. So, with the help of pollinating agents, the pollen grains have been transferred, and those pollinating agents have been broadly classified into abiotic pollinating agents and biotic pollinating agents. From that, the first one, abiotic pollinating agents. So, pollinating agents have been broadly classified into abiotic pollinating agents and biotic pollinating agents. Abiotic and biotic pollinating agents. Abiotic pollinating agents means अजैविक pollinating agents, अजैविक घटक. बायोटिक मध्ये जैविक घटक आपल्याला म्हणतात. and in abiotic pollinating agents मध्ये the first agent, that is pollination by wind. Pollination by wind. वाऱ्याने परागीभवन किंवा वाऱ्यामार्फत परागीभवन जे आपण म्हणतो. And this pollination by wind is also called as anemophily type of pollination. Anemophily type of pollination. And pollination with the help of water means hydro, so it is called as hydrophily type of pollination. So abiotic pollinating agents have been categorized into anemophily and hydrophily type of pollination. So from these two, that is anemophily type of pollination and hydrophily type of pollination, see in detail the first one, anemophily type of pollination. So though the word anemon, one may think the animal like word is there, so students may think that anemophily type of pollination, that is the pollination with the help of animals. It is totally wrong. Anemophily याच्यामध्ये animals म्हटल्यानंतर एखाद्या वेळेस तुम्हाला असं वाटेल की animalच्या माध्यमातून pollination, तर animalच्या माध्यमातून pollination नसून anemon means wind. So the pollination with the help of wind is called as anemophily type of pollination, and the pollination with the help of water is called as hydrophily type of pollination. So here in abiotic pollinating agents, pollination by wind and pollination by water, there are typical floral adaptations are there, and these floral adaptations So what is the adaptation? Adaptation म्हणजे अनुकूलन. Adaptation means for survival the individual modifies themselves for surrounding climate. That is nothing but the adaptation. सजीव आपलं अस्तित्व टिकवण्यासाठी पर्यावरणाला अनुसरून स्वतःच्या शरीररचनेमध्ये जे बदल घडवून आणतो त्या प्रक्रियेला आपण काय म्हणतो? अनुकूलन म्हणतो. So here different adaptations. The adaptation may be for anemophily type of pollination, the adaptation may be for hydrophily type of pollination, or the adaptation may be for different biotic agents. थोडक्यात adaptation म्हणजे काय? त्या एंजिओस्पर्मिक प्लांट मध्ये वाऱ्यानं परागीभवन होण्यासाठी फुलामध्ये काहीतरी बदल झालाय किंवा फुलामध्ये काहीतरी टिपिकल अडॅप्टेशन आहे की जेणेकरून त्याच्यामध्ये वाऱ्यामार्फत परागीभवन होईल. हायड्रोफिली टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनेशन मध्ये पाण्यामध्ये राहून परागीभवन व्हावं किंवा पाण्याच्या मदतीनं परागीभवन व्हावं म्हणून त्या वनस्पतीच्या फुलामध्ये असेल किंवा वनस्पतीमध्ये असेल काही स्पेशल अडॅप्टेशन्स किंवा मॉडिफिकेशन्स असतील. दोज अडॅप्टेशन्स हॅव बीन डिस्कस्ड हियर इन डिटेल. The floral adaptation for anemophily. आता anemophily type of pollination मध्ये pollination with the help of wind वाऱ्यानं परागीभवन होण्यासाठी जे adaptations आहेत या adaptation मध्ये काय आपल्याला बदल किंवा modifications आहेत? Here as the pollen grains have been transferred from anther to receptive stigma. This is a typical flower where the stamen and carpel, the structures are like this. But in anemophily, the first floral adaptation, in case of the stamen, the anthers are, instead of such anthers, the anthers are versatile anthers. And the meaning of versatile anthers, long, slender, and a very weak point of attachment is there between anther and filament. So such anthers are called as versatile anthers. That is one of the adaptation in anemophily. Second adaptation in case of the stigma. Normally in a typical flower the stigma is such flattened one, but here in wind pollinated flowers the stigma is feathery stigma. That is another typical adaptation. The feathery stigma is there. So these are different adaptations. Adaptation in the anther, versatile anthers are there. Adaptation in the stigma, feathery stigma is there. In addition to that, the pollen grains which are developed in anemophilous flowers, the pollen grains are dusty. Large number of pollen grains are there, very light in weight, because they can be easily carried from one place to another place with the help of wind. So the pollens are weightless, very light in weight pollen grains. The exine is smooth-walled exines. To carry the pollens very easily, the smooth-walled exine is there. Again, what type of flowers are there? In case of the anemophily type of pollination, वाऱ्यानं परागीभवन व्हायचं असेल समजा तर याच्यामध्ये फ्लोरल अडॅप्टेशन फ्लावर जे आहे त्या फ्लावर मध्ये द फ्लावर्स आर इनकॉन्स्पिक्युअस. द प्लांट डझंट वेस्टेड इट्स एनर्जी टू डेकोरेट द फ्लावर्स. आता वाऱ्यामार्फत परागीभवन करायचं आहे. वारा अजैविक घटक आहे. वाऱ्याला बोलवण्यासाठी आपल्याला सुगंध तयार करावा लागणार नाहीये, फुलं आकर्षक तयार करावी लागणार नाहीये. म्हणून वाऱ्यानं परागीभवन असल्यामुळे इथं फ्लावर्स कसे आहेत? फ्लावर्स आर इनकॉन्स्पिक्युअस and minute flowers are there. याच्यामध्ये bright colored flowers नाही. So these are different adaptations in anemophilous type of pollination. But for your syllabus, the example given for anemophily type of pollination, that is plant of the maize where male inflorescence is present at the tip and female inflorescence here, which is converted into the comb. And this female inflorescence having a long style, and the pollens which are dusted from the male inflorescence have been caught by the stigma, and here the pollination takes place. So that is one example, maize or almost in all graminea members the wind pollination is there. Almost सगळ्या graminea members मध्ये मग ते ज्वारी, बाजरी, गहू, मका या तृणधान्यामध्ये आपल्याला वाऱ्यामार्फत परागीभवन आहे. मग आता वाऱ्यामार्फत परागीभवन असल्यामुळे ज्वारी, बाजरी, गहू, मका याच्यामधली कुठलीही फुलं सुंदर नाही आहेत, कुठलीही फुलं आकर्षक नाहीत, कुठलीही फुलं सुगंध तयार करत नाही आहेत, नेक्टर तयार करत नाही आहेत. कारण ही वनस्पती स्वतःची ऊर्जा वाया घालवणार नाहीये. का तर वाऱ्याने परागीभवन होणार आहे. वारा काय फक्त सुगंधाकडे जाईल आणि सुगंध नसेल तर जाणार नाही असं नाही, कारण ते अजैविक घटक आहे. सो हिअर द प्लांट डझंट वेस्टेड इट्स एनर्जी फॉर डेकोरेशन ऑफ द फ्लावर्स, बट द प्लांट मॉडिफाइज or the flower can be adapted for wind pollination. परंतु या फुलामध्ये वाऱ्याने परागीभवन होण्यासाठी काही अडॅप्टेशन्स आहेत, काही बदल आहेत. या बदलामध्ये अगदी सहजासहजी पोलन ग्रेन्स याची वाहून नेले जावेत म्हणून व्हर्सटाईल अँथर्स आपल्याला आहेत. पोलन ग्रेन्स जे आहेत हे प्रचंड संख्येमध्ये पोलन ग्रेन्स तयार होतात. याची एक्झाईन जी आहे स्मूथ वॉल्ड एक्झाईन्स आहेत, लाईट इन वेट डस्टी पोलन्स आर देयर as well as to caught the pollens very easily. The stigma is feathery one. So these are special adaptations or typical adaptations which favors for anemophily type of pollination. वाऱ्याने परागीभवन होण्यासाठी या अशा विशिष्ट प्रकारचे अडॅप्टेशन, विशिष्ट प्रकारचं अनुकूलन या वनस्पतीमध्ये आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं इन anemophily type of pollination. So later on we have to discuss the pollination with the help of water, that is hydrophily type of pollination.